Okay, my dear Pedro, so we are going to talk about safety systems, and as you can please see, have a closer look here. I'm going to demonstrate how you can correctly connect yourself with a kite and always check on every safety system that you need to think about. Okay, so my dear friend, first of all, you have to remember that as the bar and the lines have been set up, the first thing you should do is basically start from checking your kite leash quick release, which means deactivate, make sure that it's functional, and then connecting it again. Make sure the connection is sound. Sometimes safety leashes can block. It has to do with the amount of time they spend under the sun. Next step, you grab your chicken loop, and now you are ready to connect your safety leash into your safety line. Next step, before you do anything else, you have to also check your quick release system on the chicken loop, which means try to see if it's functional and if it's working all the time, and then try to put it back in. And finally, you connect yourself by actually putting around the chicken loop onto your hook harness and securing everything with your chicken finger. Now you are ready to start getting into the procedure of taking the correct position in order to launch the kite. My dear Petros, do we have any questions?
No.
Would you like to have a taste of it?
Of course.
Very good. So once again, the bar is set. I have to remind you that although we have set up the kite and our setup is downwind, we try to assume the correct body position so that your back feels the wind. Okay, so if you can please
first check the leash, the safety leash system.
Exactly.
That is working. It is. Then put it back on.
Of course. One thing you should remember is that safety leashes come in different shapes and sizes, but the basic idea is the mechanical connection you are doing very correctly right now. Bravo, Petros.
Thank you.
Moving on.
And now I have to connect my safety leash with my bar,
Your safety line.
Then I check the safety system
By actually pulling the quick release, making sure it works. Very good.
Then lock it back in. That it's done.
Very good.
The chicken loop and the chicken dick, and secure the system.
Very good, my friend. Now let's theoretically
I will unbuckle everything. Before you unbuckle
everything, we are going to simulate the safety systems, which means theoretically you are ready to launch the kite. I will grab all 4 lines and pretend to exercise some wind pull. So you may grab the bar like you would normally do, and let's say that there is a little bit of pull. Okay, there is some kind of a problem, you need the kite to depower. So what is the first safety system?
I leave my
very good, letting go of the bar. If things are more serious, then you would have to go into safety system number 2, which means that I
have to quick release.
Perfectly, you can drop it, everything, but if there is a life-threatening situation, the final is boom, total release. Excellent, my dear Petros.
Thank you.